Welcome to Kalooban, the voice within. This is not a podcast to fix you because hindi ka naman sira. You are not broken. This is just a space to tell the truth. The kind of truth we usually avoid. But secretly, we all recognize. Today, we're talking about a lie. Almost every human being carries. The lie of, I am not enough. Kulang ako. If that sentence tighten your chest, even a little, then stay. This episode is not here to inspire you. It's here to tell you what no one told you early enough. No one is born feeling not enough. Children exist without apology. Nabubuhay sila ng walang hinihinging paumanhin. The lie begins when love becomes conditional. When we learn the equation, I am loved when I am useful. Mahalaga lang ako kapag may silbi ako. So you adapt. You become quieter. Kinder than necessary, even stronger than healthy. And one day, you stop asking, sino ba talaga ako? And you start asking, ano pa ang dapat kong gawin para maging karapat-dapat? That's not growth, kapatid. That's survival. You don't feel not enough because you lack something. You feel it because you were trained to abandon yourself. Tinalikuran mo ang sarili mo. Every time you ignore your intuition to keep the peace, every time you said yes when your body said no, you didn't lose your worth. You just withdraw from yourself. Healing begins when you stop asking, how do I become enough? And you start asking, saan ko ba sinimulan iwan ang sarili ko? Where did I stop choosing myself? That question is uncomfortable. It asks for responsibility, not blame. It means you can't wait for permission anymore. So each time you honor your inner voice, you rebuild your trust, and slowly the lie weakens. Not because you became more, but because you finally stop abandoning yung sarili mo. The tightness you feel, that's not weakness. That's your kalooban reminding you. You were never lacking. Hindi ka kailanman nagkulang. Come back when you're ready to listen again. This is Kalooban, the voice within. Let's live fully habang may oras pa.